Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Well, almost. But it's St. Patrick's Day weekend.
It's St. Patty's weekend, guys.
So we are coming at you with our famous Boozy Shamrock Shake.
Yeah.
Boozy Shamrock Shake.
We have not indulged in a Shamrock Shake this festivity season.
Yeah. I haven't had one from McDonald's yet. I will have one at some point.
But this one's even better because it has alcohol. And we're both of age.
Yeah.
But
Julia's actually coming of age older soon.
Older? I was like, I'm going to be 24.
Yeah. She's catching up to me.
I'm catching up to Christina.
Mm-hmm.
So next year, my prefrontal cortex, my frontal lobe will be developed. And I can rent a car. But for this year, we're drinking. We're still drinking.
Woo! So,
all right. So how do we make it?
So I'll give a rundown of the ingredients, and then you can pour them out as I'm going. So, 2 pints of ice cream. This is 1 quart. This is 2 pints. We're gonna see. This feels like a lot of ice cream, so we might not put the whole thing. But we might. 1/4 cup of white chocolate liqueur Mozart.
I love Mozart. That's probably honestly
this is so good.
My favorite flavor too of Mozart.
Yeah, I have one of these bad boys at home.
They also have coffee. They have dark chocolate.
They have regular
pumpkin,
chocolate.
They have
strawberry.
Chocolate cream. That's the regular. The
strawberry.
And the coconut.
And, and the coconut.
I really like the coconut too.
The coconut is lactose free.
Yeah. We're going full lactose with this recipe here.
Milk, vodka, peppermint extract, and green food coloring.
Okay. That's just for a little extra.
Yeah, you don't have to do the green food coloring if you're scared.
I think it's cute though.
If you're not a food coloring girl.
Okay, we've added our ice cream.
Yeah. It was silly. Now we do 1/4 cup of mochi. Miss Mozart, Miss Girl. You can also we have a non-boozy Shamrock Shake also on the blog. If you're not 21 or if you don't drink alcohol. But
oh, that smells really good.
We love a drink.
How much almond milk?
1/4 cup.
Okay.
1/4 cup for all the licks.
You probably use any milk that you want.
Yeah, I think the recipe does call for regular milk, but
that's what we have.
Although we are using full dairy ice cream, we love to cut down on our dairy.
We love to always drink almond milk with coffee.
Yeah.
But dairy with cheese and everything else. Ooh, now what do we have here?
Miss Vodka. Miss Potato Vodka. 1/4 cup.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, now peppermint extract, 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1/4 of a cup would probably kill you.
Yeah, 1/4 of a cup of peppermint extract might be hard to put.
It's like those smelling salts.
It is potent.
Oh, that was a little bit more. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's St. Patrick's Day.
It's St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna use this little dowel to put in the green food coloring.
Dowel. We even wore our green today.
Yeah, we wore green, and I'm wearing green mascara.
Yeah. That's the first thing I noticed this morning. I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, when I banged on her car door.
Yeah. She said, I'm here.
Okay, we're going in the ice cream.
I think that's beautiful. Sweet.
But now I can't dip it back if I need more.
That's okay. You can use the other side.
Oh yeah. Should I put more? Let's just do a little bit.
I say go for it.
We're running out.
It's okay. We're running out.
Yeah, watch your little face. Gotta make it green coloring on you.
Okay. Wow.
It's not even close to her face, guys.
It actually kind of is.
No, it's not. She's just scared of getting stuff in her eyes.
I am.
That was purposeful.
Oh my gosh, we used to do that thing in elementary school where we would have to go outside and look for leprechauns.
Oh,
and then when
you
come back in.
out?
No, we didn't do that.
What?
When you come back in, then the room's a mess.
Oh, we put our shoes out and we'd go and then we'd come back and there'd be stuff on our shoes.
Wow. Yeah, when you come back and the room would be a mess and the leprechauns they pulled a prank on us.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna blend this up. To save us from all having hearing loss, I'm going to cut to it. All right.
That was silly.
We have something.
She mixed it?
She's
looking like a shamrock shake.
Wow. Ah! Better than McDonald's.
We have fun straws also.
You know what would be kind of good in this if you like mint chocolate chip? You can add a little chocolate in there if you want it.
Or gluten-free Oreos. Ooh. Period.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, food coloring.
We could probably, that's on me. I could have mixed it a little better. There you go.
Oh, okay. I'm getting the food coloring one.
Oh, no, I'm probably getting the worst of it.
No.
It's.
Oh yeah, we're getting a little bit.
We're even. You want more?
No. Wait. Yeah. Just
Make sure
top it off. I'm gonna go get the whipped cream.
Okay.
Okay. Now we've got whipped cream.
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared.
Wow.
Can I do yours?
Yeah, please.
Oh.
That's okay.
And she's done. And so she ran out and she's squirting everywhere. Okay. Now
The fun part.
you could do green sprinkles, but we figured like we're giving Lucky Charms with the rainbow. You're not a big sprinkle girl.
I'm not, but I want to put it on here.
Okay.
It makes it so much more festive.
I'm digging my little fingers.
I made some with can I do?
Yeah, you can dig your little hands in there too.
I used to do gold sprinkles on mine.
Gold.
Yeah, for like pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
Oh, true. But this is giving like Lucky Charms.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. But don't be deceived. It is Boozy.
Sorry that yours isn't that tall.
Oh, that's fine.
We ran out.
It's okay. It's like us. One shorter than the other. Not by much.
Not by much.
Okay, wait.
Wait, why does it look blue?
No, it doesn't.
You don't think so?
No, I think it's just the way the glass looks. They're so cute. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thumbnail? Okay.
Okay. Taste test. I've had this before, but last year.
Wow. Wow.
I taste the alcohol.
That is great.
Girl, if I was at home, I'd be like, yummy.
Oh my gosh.
They should start putting these at not Shake and Shack. Steak and Shake. Boozy Shakes at Steak and Shake would kill.
That would be...
Cross-contamination, surely. Surely. But...
I think this is perfect. It's not overbearing. It's just the right amount of milkshake and sweet.
You taste the alcohol. I'm like, do you hate mint?
Mint?
You like mint?
I like mint.
In like desserts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like when it's overdone.
Okay. Like you like a mint chocolate chip? Okay. I love mint chocolate chip. That's like my go-to. Yeah. Always been my go-to. My boyfriend hates it. He's like an old person though. He loves like
pistachio.
Pistachio. What's the pecan?
Nothing wrong with old people and their ice cream choices.
But you know what I'm saying. That's like my mom would like that. My mom's older. Sorry, mom. She's probably watching this.
I love pistachio and I like oatmeal raisin cookies.
Yeah. Well, also Julia's an old soul as well. I was gonna call you an old woman.
Well,
you are old. You're getting old.
I'm getting
1 year older.
I'm getting
She's
1 year older. If anyone has any advice for what your 24th year? Well, you've lived your 24th year.
Okay, like half of it.
What is your advice so far?
Well, probably one of the worst years of my life so far.
Anyway, happy St. Patrick's Day.
23 and 24 have been rough.
I'm sorry. Well, this will make it better. It's only up from here.
Oh yeah. But I have been working out, so I have been getting back on track.
Well, that's okay.
There we go.
That's okay. Our New Year's resolutions in March, they're still going. But you have to indulge every once in a while.
Mostly.
And this is quite decadent.
No, it's good. Dare I say more peppermint. I feel like it's not super minty. I taste the vodka.
Yeah. The Mozart adds a nice chocolatey flavor.
Yeah, the Mozart's delicious. Well, so is the vodka, but I'm saying I could taste this. This just tastes like chocolate.
It's so good. I'm giving this 10 out of 10. What can I say?
10 out of 10. Well, 9 out of 10 because my stomach was going to hurt later.
Next time we'll get the dairy-free ice cream for you.
Well, it's organic. It's like good enough.
All right. Well, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. We will see you next Friday.
Yeah, we hope that you find the pot of gold this weekend.
What's at the end of the rainbow? We'll find out.
Yeah, we hope you guys find the end of the rainbow this weekend and find something. And tell us what it is.
Yeah, and if we find out, we'll let you know next Friday here at Gluten-Free Friday.
Next week, we're making a shake.
What kind of shake?
The Air One.
Ooh, a smoothie.
We're doing Air One dupe smoothie.
Yeah. So we have a milkshake, and now we're going to do a smoothie. It's balance.
Yeah, we love drinks.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, everybody. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. It's not minty enough.
I think it's too minty.
Really?